How to print array in Java. Java 25 has made this a much simpler program to write. Click on the video down below to learn how to install Java 25 if you have not already. To start, no need to wrap this in a class. Next, no need to write the big long method signature for the main method. We can just do void main. Next, let's give ourselves an array. Int array A1 equals an array with 1, 2, and 3. Last, normally to properly print out an array, you'd have to import the arrays class to easily convert the array to a string. In Java 25, when you write code like this without wrapping the code in a class, Java implicitly imports the java.base module, which among that is the arrays class. Also, Java 25 makes it so all you have to do for print is io.println instead of system.out. So we can do io.println arrays.toString A1. If we compile and run this code, we'll see the array printed out. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.